Okay, so that's our first little bit from I Can't Tell You Why by the Eagles. We have this. So 2, 4, 5 on the A, 2 on the D, back to 2 on the A, and then we go. That's part of a B minor, 4, 3, 2 down here. Hit that twice, part of an A, 2, 2 open. If you don't like doing them there, you can do them over here. So that'd be 9, 7, 7 on the D down to the B. So the 7, 6, 5 A chord. Now the third time of this, either a slide or a hammer on to get from that 2 to 4. 2, 4, 5, 2, into the 4, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so that could be a bend like, or you could just slide it twice on that 4 to 2, up to you, and then 2 to open D, and then a long slide from the 7 down to the 2 on the A. So once again from the solo we had. And then we have. Okay, so real tasty stuff in this, and it's nice and slow. It's easy to pick up quick. So we're going to slide into this 9 here. So we had the 9 on the A, and then 7, 9 on the D, to the 7 on the G, and then we're going to bend the 10 on the B string. So it's. Now we're going to bend that down and pull off to the 7. Bend that 9 on the G. So it's going to go. Now we're going to hit that 9 again, bend it down, go to the 7. So. And then we bend the 10 again. Exact same riff, and then we're going to go. So we're going to bend that 10 on the B, down to the 10 underneath it on the E string. Pull off to the 7, 9 on the G. Maybe a slight bend on that 7 here. 7 to 9 on the D, 7, 9 on the G. And we have a bend on that 9 up and down. Pull off to 7, come back to 9. Couple bends, and then at the end of that, hammer on, pull off. Okay, so the whole solo we got. Okay, then the next solo we're going to have. So we slid into the A, 9th fret again. Go to the 7 and then slide into the 9 on the D also. To that 7 on the G. 9 and then 9 bend. To the 7 and then. So you might do a little pull off on that second one. It's basically the same thing. That's the first one. And then a little bit of a pull off, and then we're gonna go same slides again, and then so after we hit the 9 on the G, we got that 10 up and down to the 7 again, and then we got okay, so we had like a slide into the 11, 7 to 11 on the D, 7 to 9 there, and then 2 bends up and down to the 7, slide into the 9 here, kind of a 7, and then a pull off, 9, 7 down to that 9, and then another 7, 9. So this whole solo is. Now we're going to have 11 on the G, 10, 12, bend this 12 up a step and a half, so it's 10, 12, 12, 10, 12, bend. So it's like 3 times of that same type of stuff. We got. And then we go. So we're gonna bend that little 12, hold it for a minute, and then like up and down twice to the 10 on the second string. Back to that riff. And then we get into a double bend on the 1.5 step thing. Here we go. Okay, so we had 2 bends to the 10. Do it again. And then this time we go. So 10 to 11 on the G, 12 to 10 on the B. And then we get into a little thing here. We're going to go. So that was 7 on the G, and then 9, 7, 9 to 11 on the D to 7. And then the second one goes 11 to 10 on the second string. And we'll do that whole thing twice. Then we get into this double note thing. We're going to go. So that was 9s on the 5th and 4th strings. Slide into that. And then we have 7s on the D and G to 9s and back. So it's. And then we're going to go 7s back to those bigger 9s. Same thing there. So these two together is. Do the first one again. And then the last one. We got the 7s back to the 9s, and then we got 7 and 8 on the G and B. Down 1 to the 6 and 7. To those 7s on the D and G. So it's. Goes about 3 times as we're fading out. Let's pop through these solos again. We got. Okay, next solo. I can't tell you why. Some great soloing on there. Probably Don Felder. I didn't look it up. But tabs with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.